Good morning, I'm Andrew with Labelworks PX, here at the Durham Manufacturing booth, exhibiting at Grainger 2018. Durham is a leading manufacturer of shelving and storage units for industrial applications. And I'm here because the Labelworks PX label printers are a great complement to your storage needs. I'm standing in front of one of their newest products. This here is a 12-gauge pegboard cabinet. It's got 1,900 pound capacity for the shelving and 400 pounds capacity for the drawer unit. It's a great storage solution because the shelves are versatile. You can move them around as needed. It's got heavy 12-gauge steel so you can lock up all of your important tools and equipment. I have here our LWPX 900 printer. The printer comes with magnets, so it'll stay on the door, making it hands-free to label all of your inventory. I have the printer loaded with a unique supply to us, magnetic tape. So with this shelving unit, as you can see, they've used paper labels to label the shelves. Now, if this inventory moves or in really harsh environments, this could disintegrate, or trying to remove it is going to leave a paper residual. Now with the Epson Labelworks PX magnetic tape, what we do is we print directly to magnet. So when this inventory moves, we can stick that right on there. You can keep your inventory labeled and identified, and as it moves, you can just simply remove and replace as needed.